Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So glad to have you, and I really want to point out thanks. I really just want to give you guys thanks. Getting more comments on the videos, getting more shares, more tweets on it, and it really helps build out the community. I want to say thanks to you. Today's video is about a challenge I did. It wasn't really like a class challenge. This one happened at recess, sort of outside the class, but it's one that you could build into your class. So I think you are going to want to stick around for this, because it really pumped the kids up, and it was different. It was something different, so stick around. Alright, this challenge comes at the end of an adventure path for me, and adventure paths are these optional things they can go on. They're pretty cool, and they're all different. This adventure path was sort of like find one clue to get you to the next clue, to get you to the next clue. And when they get to the last clue, it sort of says that they've sort of made it into this holding pattern. And once I get 4 groups into that holding pattern, this event takes place. And this event was huge. And it's so simple to do, yet it sort of fired the kids up. I stole this idea from, I think, a Master Chef challenge where they had to cook, and then they cooked in teams, and their teammate had to be off to the side and would pop back in when they told them like time, and then the other teammate would have to go off to the side. So what I did, I laid out 4 tables, or 4 desks, and each of the teams were at a desk. And then across the room, I took these 4 sort of fake bookcases and put a quiz. I took a quiz, a 20-question quiz, and cut it up into strips. And each box had the 20 questions, and they had a number their sheets 1 through 20, and they would run across the room, grab a sheet, bring it back, and open up that sheet and have to answer that question. And this is the only time they could change that answer. So once they feel like they're locked in, they would run back to the other side of the classroom, drop this, and then pull out a new question and run back. And they're competing against the clock. There's intense music. I invited everybody up during recess, as you can see in this video. Was intense, and it also built a ton of community. Kids were cheering on their houses. Kids were excited to come in during recess. I had probably 2/3 the grade. Maybe that's, I don't know. I had a lot of kids in, and they were pumped. It was pretty cool to see the kids be that excited about taking a quiz. So think about adding these kind of elements to your class. The cool thing about this is not everybody had to do this. This was like this optional thing that kids could kind of go off and do, and if they did it well, they got to this sort of peak moment where there's all this engagement and camaraderie built in. So, shake off that idea that, everybody has to do the same thing. Everybody has to be part of everything. This was just sort of this extra piece that kids could do, and they loved it, and the other students loved it, and kids are asking when we can do more of them. So, just sprinkle these kind of ideas in. I have really loved this challenge. Students really love this this challenge. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, think about subscribing. Smash that subscription button. We're really trying to build out this community, and with your help, we can do that. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Connect, interact, and share out. Put a comment in below. Love to hear from you guys. Really like building out this new channel, and with your help, we're doing it every single day. So thanks for watching. Can't wait to see what you add to your classroom. Till next time.